Pluto, slow down, boy! What is it? Hey, where's Goofy? Something strange is going on here. Psst. Psst. Who's there? You better come out of there, or I'm coming in after you. Donald? What's the big idea? Come down from there. Why aren't you at your post?
We gotta get Goofy and get out of here.
Goofy? Where is he? He's not at his post either.
Oh no! He's already got Goofy!
Wait, who's got Goofy? Donald? Stop! Donald, are you nuts? What's going on?
He just gonna kidnap Princess Minnie so I can become king because he's really a bad guy. And he has a secret nail and it's really dark and scary. So the point is, he's gonna kill us if we get in his way. So we should run down as far away as we can.
Donald, I can't understand a word you say.
No!
Oh, put me down! Whoa! We can't leave our post like this! What would Captain Pete say?
Captain Pete is the bad guy!
Captain Pete is the bad guy? Pete's trying to kidnap the princess? But he made us Musketeers.
It was all a lie!
A lie? Well, lie or no lie, Musketeers don't run from danger. And as long as we wear these uniforms, neither do we.
You said it! It's every get for himself!
Donald, wait! Together we can stop Captain Pete. Remember how we rescued the princess?
I was hiding.
Hiding? Well, tonight you came back to warn us, and that took courage, Donald. Come on, I'll be right beside you, 'cause we're friends.
I just can't. I'm sorry.
Donald! Thanks, boy. What is it? What is it, boy?
Well, if it ain't the one Musketeer.
Captain Pete, by the power vested in me as a musketeer, I arrest you, mister!
Oh, that's a good one. Well, how about this? By the power invested in my fist, I clobber you!